Want to say what hasn't happened yet or never happened before. In this video, we'll learn how to make negative sentences in the present perfect tense step by step with 50 real examples. Let's start improving your grammar and fluency. Structure of negative sentences in present perfect tense. Subject plus has or have plus not plus past participle, third form of the verb plus object. The present perfect tense negative form is used to talk about actions that have not happened at any time before now or experiences that someone has never had. Step by step breakdown. What is subject? The person or thing doing the action. For example, I, you, he, she, we, they, it. Have or has. These are helping verbs, also called auxiliaries, used with the present perfect. Use has with he, she, it, and singular names. Use have with I, you, we, they, and plural nouns. Not. This makes the sentence negative. Has not can be contracted as hasn't, and have not can be contracted as haven't. Past participle, third form of the verb. For example, go, gone, eat, eaten, see, seen, write, written, play, played. Object, the person or thing receiving the action. For example, I have not seen that movie. I is the subject plus have plus not plus seen. Third form of see. She has not finished her work. They haven't cleaned the room. Common mistake to avoid. She hasn't saw the film. It is an incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is she hasn't seen the film. Always use the third form of verb, not the past tense. 50 negative sentences in present perfect tense. I have not finished my homework. She has not visited the museum. They have not played football today. He has not written the email. We have not eaten dinner. You have not called the doctor. It has not stopped raining. I have not traveled abroad. She has not learned German. They have not started the project. He has not cleaned his room. We have not completed the course. You have not helped your friend. I have not watched that film. She has not prepared lunch. They have not opened the shop. He has not driven the car. We have not painted the wall. You have not fixed the issue. It has not grown much. I have not met your sister. She has not baked a cake. They have not left the house. He has not lost his keys. We have not planted any trees. You have not submitted the form. I have not seen that episode. She has not joined the team. They have not read the book. He has not told the truth. We have not saved enough money. You have not bought new shoes. I have not taken the test. She has not opened the door. They have not cleaned the room. He has not signed the contract. We have not booked the tickets. You have not shared the documents. I have not started the assignment. She has not decorated the hall. They have not cooked yet. He has not finished the task. We have not organized the files. You have not visited that country. I have not heard the news. She has not played the violin. They have not changed their decision. He has not answered the question. We have not gone to the market. You have not made any mistakes. Well done. Now you know how to form negative sentences in the present perfect tense with confidence. Keep practicing and repeat these daily to speak more fluently. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy grammar lessons. Thanks for watching.